Good morning, children. Very happy morning. Our pattern chapter is going on. In previous session, we have learned about patterns in numbers and patterns in letters. Okay. Some number patterns are formed by adding the same number to the previous number every time, and some are formed by subtracting the same number from the previous number every time. Okay, and also here in patterns letters, some patterns in letters can be formed by repeating letters in a particular manner, or by skipping some letters, or by writing capital and small letters. Okay, we have learned this in previous session. Now on this basis we will see the number pattern. Okay, so look here. Here is number 40, then 50, then 60. Means here in this number pattern we have to add number 10. 40 and 50 means the difference between 40 and 50 is 10. So when we add 10 in 40, then we will get 50. When we add 10 in 50, then we get 60. After 60 plus 10, here will come 70. Okay. Then 70 plus 10, here 80. 80 plus 10, 90. And 90 plus 10, 100. Like this, we have to complete this pattern. Okay. Now look here. Here 100, 200, 300 means here we have to add 100 in the, means it's a pattern of 100. 100, 200, 300, then here will come 400, then 500, 600, and then 700. Okay, like this you have to complete this exercise. Then 40, 38, 36. Now see here children, 40 and 38 means difference between these two numbers are 2. Means when we subtract 2 from 40, that time we will get 38. Now when we subtract another 2 from 38, then we will get 36. Now for this we have to make pattern. We have to subtract 2 from this 36, and 36 minus 2 go backward 35 and 34. Okay, right here 34, again minus 2 means backward counting up to 2 number, 33, 32. Okay, then 32 minus 2, 31, 30. Okay, again 30 minus 2, 29, 28. Okay, like this you have to complete this number pattern. Now look here, 1, 3, 5 means here is a skipping numbering pattern. 1, then 3 means which number skip here? 2, then 3, 4 skip, 5, then 5, 6 skip, and then right here 7, 8 skip, and then 9, 10 skip, and here 11. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Like this you have to complete. Now here children, another number pattern is here. 20, 30 and 40. Look here. We see that when we add 10 in 20, then we get 30. Again when we add 30 plus 10, then we will get 40. So we have to add here number 10. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. Okay, like this complete this. Then 2, 5, 8. Here after 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay, and then 5, 6, 7 and then 8. Then we have to skip 2 numbers and write next number here. After 8, 9, 10, here 11. Okay, then 12, 13, 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, same here. 1, 5, 9. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus worksheet. 13 plus 14, 15. 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So here will come 17. Then 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Here in this example, skipping of 3 numbers. 1, then 2, 3, 4 and then 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Here 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Then also here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here. Then 14, 15, 16 and then 17. Then 18, 19, 20, then 21 and 21, 22, 23, 24 and then 25. Okay children, complete this. Now see here, D, 5A, 7B, 9C. Here alphabets are in sequence and numbers 5 then 7 means 5 skip 6 and 7 means skip one number and then write here 7. 7 skip 8 and 9 like this. After 9 skip 10 and write here 11. Okay, and after C, D, 11 skip 12 then 13 and after D, E, then skip 1, 14 and then here 15 and after E, F, then skip 16 and here 17, G. Okay, you have to complete this question. Next here, look children, write the missing terms following the pattern in each option. Triple A, then blank, blank, then triple D means here we have to write 3 times B, then 3 times C, then 3 times D, 3 times E. Okay, 3 times after E, F. Here 11, 21, dash, dash and 51. Look here, the difference between 21 to 11 to 21 is 10 means we have to write here 21 plus 10 means 31. 31 plus 10, 41 and here 51. This one 34 and then dash and 30. This difference is 4. But next number we have to, it is back counting numbers or minus number because here is 30 then blank and then 30. Okay, so we have to subtract numbers. 30, then here another number, 34, another number, and then 30. Means we have to subtract here. When we subtract 34 and 32, 34 and 2, here we will get 32. Here difference, 34 and 32, 2's difference, 32 and 32, 30 and minus 2, here we will get 28, 28 minus 2, 26, 26 minus 2, 24. Okay, like this. Then here A, B, C, comma, D, E, F, comma, then F के बाद F, G, H, I, comma, J, K, L, comma, M, N, O. Okay. Children, complete this pattern.